हाय गाइस। सो अभी फेस्टिव सीजन चल रहा है तो मैंने सोचा कि एक आप लोगों के लिए ट्रेडिशनल लुक क्रिएट किया जाए। तो चलिए आज हम मज़े लेते हैं इस फेस्टिव सीजन के और एक मेकअप लुक क्रिएट करते हैं। तो मैंने अपनी स्किन अच्छे से प्रेप कर ली है, स्किन केयर इज डन। तो आई एम डायरेक्टली स्टार्टिंग विद माई मेकअप। फॉर माई प्राइमर आई एम गोना यूज दिस लैक्मे एब्सोल्यूट ब्लर प्राइमर। दिस इज लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट इन मार्केट्स गाइज। बहुत अच्छे से अपना काम ये करता है। आई एम जस्ट डॉटिंग इट फर्स्ट। आई एम कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन माई पोर एरियाज वेयर लाइक आई रियली वॉन्ट कि पोर्स कवर हो जाएं। आई एम कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ओवर देयर एंड रेस्ट आई एम लाइक taking it outwards on my face. You can see कि instantly it gives a brightening effect to your face and the skin feels so smooth. Okay, so I will let this primer sit for a while. Till then I am gonna start with my eyes. So for my eyebrows I am gonna use this Etude eyebrow pencil. I am in the shade, what shade it is? 02 Grey Brown. It's a very nice one because it has a spoolie at one side and pencil at the other side. So you just need to comb your brows first. And from the other side, it's a retractable one. From the other side, you just need to fill this. So guys, I have done my brows. Now I am moving forward to my eyes. Okay, first I am gonna prime my eyes using this Fit Me concealer. I am in the shade 10 light. You can see it's about to get finished. It's almost done. I'm taking this brush to blend this in. Now I'm setting this concealer using this Fit Me Compact in the shade 120. This will make sure that the concealer will not crease in my eyes. Alright, so guys, I am gonna finish my face first, then I'll move forward to the eyes. So as our primer is set now, so I am gonna, for foundation today, I am gonna use this Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation, and I am in the shade 120. My shade is 120. It's just Classic Ivory. I am just warming it up a little bit and then dotting it all over my face. Now I am taking my PAC blender and I am just going to buff this all in. Alright, so our foundation is done. Next, for my concealer, I am gonna using that Fit Me concealer again. Okay, now taking the same sponge, I am just gonna rub all this in. Okay, our concealer is also done. And now I'm gonna set this face using the Fit Me compact. I'm taking a buffing brush and I'm not dragging it because otherwise my foundation will move. So I'm just patting all this in. Alright. So first I'll finish off my eyes, then I'll come back to the face. So for my eyes, I'm gonna use two palettes today. One is this Wet n Wild palette. This is in the shade Rose in the Air. And the next colorful eyeshadow palette I'm gonna use, this is from Hilary Rhoda. Hilary Rhoda, yeah. It's a pretty colorful palette, and today I'm thinking of doing something colorful only. So that's why. Alright. So I'm gonna start with this Wet n Wild palette and taking this brown transition shade, and I'll put this in my crease. Now I'm taking this darker brown shade and I'll put this just on the outer edges. As you can see, I'm taking it above that light brown shade. So next I'm gonna use this colorful palette, and from this one I'm gonna pick this light green shade because my outfit is green. You will come to know after some time. So this light green shade I'm gonna pick and put this in my lid. It's a very nice color. Pigmentation is also nice, but only down part is that this palette is little chalky, so I'm scared of fallout. So what you can do is you just need to pat. Don't drag the color on the eyes, because if you will drag, then fallout will be there. So I'm just patting this color using that flat brush. Now I'm taking a blending brush like, okay. Now I'm taking a blending brush like this and blend all this in. Just to make sure that there is no harsh line between the colors. Okay. Now I'm taking this dark green shade because I'm not satisfied with the color. I'm taking this dark green shade and I'll apply this above that light green shade just to create a monochrome effect. As you can see, I'm just putting this dark green shade on the outer edges because I don't want this to be on the full lid. I just need a hint of that color so that it looks nice. Again, taking that blending brush, I'm just blending everything in. Alright guys, so for my eyeliner I am using this Maybelline gel eyeliner. I'm just drawing a very thin line. So I'll just come back after doing the other one also. So guys, I have done my eyeliner, but still I'm like not satisfied with the eyeshadow. So I'm just taking this glitter color from the Wet n Wild palette and I'll apply above that green just a little bit, just to get a little bit shine to the eyes. Alright, now I'm just blending everything in to the place and now I'm like satisfied with the color. Now it looks nice. So now I'm just taking that light green shade on my lower lash line. Now smoking out this with the brown color. Now it's mascara time. For my mascara today I am using this Maybelline mascara. This is Falsies Push Up Drama and I love this one because I don't wear falsies, so this works like magic. It gives that volume and length to my lashes. Alright, so our mascara is also done and our eyes are done. Now I'm moving forward to my face. So for my face, I'm gonna use contour. For contour, I'm using this Wet n Wild palette. One side it has that powder and one side it has like contour powder. Now I'm taking this angular brush and picking little bit of that powder. It's a very nice powder, but the only problem is like it's very powdery. It's like literally very chalky. Okay. So now this is also done. Next, for my blush, I'm gonna use blush from MAC. I have the shade Fleur Par. Yeah, Fleur Par. It's called Fleur Par. Okay, some like nice peachy pink shade with nude undertones. Okay, so I'm just taking little bit of that. As you can see, it gives such a natural flush of color on the cheeks. It's not at all like artificial thing. It gives a nice color to the cheeks. See? Alright, so blush is also done. And now the best part of the makeup is highlighter. For my highlighter, I am gonna use this Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. I'm taking a brush like so. See guys, look at this. Such a nice color it is, such a nice glow it gives, and it doesn't look at all like made up. No chunky particles are there. It's very decently pigmented. Now little bit on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and little bit on the chin. Now I'm taking a small brush and taking this highlighter on the eyebrow. I forgot my inner corners, so I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners also using that shimmer shade from that Wet n Wild palette. I forgot about that. Alrighty, so this is also done. So now finish off my makeup. I'm gonna use lipstick first. First I'm gonna set this all using makeup fixer from MAC Fix Plus. Alright, so now finish off this makeup. I'm gonna use lipstick. So the lipstick I'm using is Lakme Absolute 3D matte lipstick. This is in the shade Frosty Pink. It is such a nice pink shade. Pinkish red it is. So guys, I am back. I have done everything now. So okay then, see you next time. Till then, bye bye.